Hello and welcome to our new video. To create a timeline in Excel, follow these steps. Select the cells that contain the time data for your timeline. Then, adjust the row height for these cells to ensure they fit your timeline design. Go to the Insert tab, click on Columns, and create a chart. Click the plus icon next to the chart and uncheck Primary Vertical Axis and Grid Lines to clean up the chart. Next, go to Data Labels, select More Options, and check Value from Cells. In the data label range, select the cells that contain your event names. This will vary depending on your timeline. Click OK, then uncheck the Value option to display only the event names. Select the bars in your chart, go to the Format tab, click on Shape Fill, and choose No Fill to make the bars transparent. Click the plus icon again, go to Error Bars, and select minus under Vertical Error Bar. In the end style, choose No Cap and set the percentage amount to 100%. Your timeline is now ready. You can customize it further according to your preferences. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.